How to change payment method on App Store on iPhone. So if you want to change your payment method on your App Store on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you will get this kind of interface. You need to go with your account, which will be in the top. And from the account, you need to go with media and purchases and tap on view account. Once you tap on view account, you need to go with manage payment. After that, you need to add a payment method. So if you already added a payment method, then you need to go with add another payment method and add 2 or 3 payment methods if available. So go ahead, add another payment method, enter your credit or your debit card, your number, your expiry date, your CVV, and then your billing address. And once you've entered all of that, you need to go with done, which will be in the top right. And after adding your payment method, you need to remove the previous payment method and then add a new payment method. Like you've just entered a new payment method, right? So you need to go and select that one as your new payment method. In this way, you'll be able to change your payment method on your App Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.